AI was a gift that kept giving, so I'm going to ask you how much you exit at this point as I narrate the trade. So it went from the previous 10-day and 30-day high. We got the short here on the PSAR flip, took the dragon exit the next day, Friday, took the Kata 2, standard risk. It closed very well, continued nicely. Today it gapped and then reversed sharply, added the emerging dragon, and added another one here. So now at this point, you're holding as this rolls over, as the rest of the market was really pretty bad. When you come over here and look at all of the things in the stack, there's only a handful of them that did any good. AI, Caterpillar, and Cliff. Intel was flat. Microsoft was flat. U.S. Steel had to get, but everything else was down at least 1%, sometimes two. So knowing that and having that in hand, how much do you get out here? You got three positions, and the first position is holding 6R. The second position is holding 2R, and the third position is holding 1R. So you're at plus 9 on three positions on the swing trade. The intraday trade on that was really good too, by the way. But you're holding plus 9 over 3 days. How much do you decide to get out? I'll tell you in a minute how much I get out. I exit 2/3. I just say that was the abnormal gift. On this one, I raise my stop to about here and lock in 8, or lock in 5 of the 6 on this one. I'm moving my stop to here, and I just take the intraday gift, which I had no reason to believe in. It's such a narrowly traded stock that I am, and at other times you've seen me add positions here with markets money, but it just, when I saw this and how much the market itself is rolling over, I don't want to fight the tide.